So this beard hair transplant is really what I think can change the perception and the confidence of people towards me.
This patient have chosen the design, and this design is called the chin strap. Let's have a look after 8 months.
Hi, I'm 36 years old, a young manager that requires a change of, appearance to appeal better in the office. So that is actually the main reason as to why I decided to have a beard hair transplant.
This is the result after 8 months. The design that patient have chosen is from the sideburn to the jawline, coming to the center here to the beard, and goes here to the right side like this. The direction, the density, and the angle of hair grown according to our surgical planning. This is the angle of mandible, and patient did not request to do his left goatee and right goatee. That's the reason this area is not filled up. So this is the entire area that we have filled up, and it's already 8 months, it's already matured now.
So this beard hair transplant is really what I think can change the perception and the confidence of people towards me. I'm confident that GLOJAS is the place for me to do this procedure. You will definitely have a clear explanation about the procedure that you're going to take. And it is really safe and affordable as well, I would say. Yeah. Thank you, GLOJAS.